Hello everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you 7 ways, 7 sidelines or side hustles that you can do this 2021 to make more money. Excited? I am. Let's go. Before we get started, please do give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. It really helps out the channel a lot. So if you like the content, if you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Sobrang nakakatulong siya. And apart from that, if you are waiting for the announcement of the winner of the Koala smartwatch, I will be announcing it on Instagram this weekend. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, now is the best time to do so. So the first thing that you can do, or the first side hustle, is flipping or reselling collectibles and toys. So collectibles pretty much covers a lot of things. It can be NBA cards, it can be sneakers, it can be toys, the Funko Pops or the figures or the statues. There are a lot of things that you guys can flip and make a profit out of. The key there is buying low. So if you're able to buy items via Facebook Marketplace, if you can haggle a really good price and then sell it at a better price, then that's where you make your money at. Now, if you can buy it for retail, then even all the better, right? Now, one of the questions I keep getting asked is, how do you market? How do you sell the stuff that you have? Well, the good thing is there are a lot of places where you can sell. You can consign your sneakers in sneaker shops. You can rent a cabinet in Green Hills to be able to sell your toys and collectibles and even your NBA cards. Or you can go to Facebook Marketplace and post the stuff that you have there and let the Facebook algorithm sort it out for you. Or you can even post it as well on Carousel. So many places to sell. That's not the problem anymore. The problem is getting stuff to sell. So if you have that, good news, you can make good money on the side by flipping, selling, reselling collectibles. Now, before we get to number 2, I just want to open this one up. This is the Christmas gift of my staff over at Project 721. So Sean and JC, maraming salamat sa inyo. This is a giant Shenron metallic Funko Pop, a Funimation exclusive, glows in the dark. So shout out JC, Sean, much love to you guys. Thank you. The second thing that you can do, or the second side hustle, is freelance work. But before you get into freelance work, you need a skill that can be freelanceable or sellable. So that the most in-demand jobs right now are design, art, web development, IT stuff, web design, graphic design, video editing, writing, copywriting, all of the creative stuff and programming stuff that is usually in demand. But there are also a lot of jobs that are more, manual in nature, like in coding and a variety of other jobs that you can also, sign up for. Now, if you are on the creative side, you can create like a portfolio and promote yourself over at various Facebook groups that are for creatives and for brands. Alternatively, you can sign up for Upwork. So Upwork has a variety of global job offers that are sidelines, that are freelance work that you can get. So it's easy to sort. It's easy to, to go through. So just find the job that you want to do, apply for it, and then if you get it, then make sure that you do a good job, okay? So that they keep coming back to you, so that you can have a steady income on the side via freelance work. Now, if you don't have the skills yet, but you want to do freelance work on the side, then take this opportunity to learn more stuff. So, take up online courses, watch free videos, read up via Google. There's a ton of stuff that you can learn for free online to build up your skill set and your expertise. After learning the skills, you might take a client or two for free or maybe at a very discounted rate, just so you can build a body of work and experience, and then eventually you start charging more and more and more. Now, the third thing that you can do to make more money on the side, but this one requires a lot of study and is a little bit riskier, is day trading. So you can trade stocks, you can trade, some people do Forex, some people do cryptocurrency. I strongly caution against it, or I caution, do it with caution. That's the right phrase that I was looking for, because I won't caution against it, but I would caution against doing it recklessly and irresponsibly. So before you get into it, make sure that you know your stuff, take up courses, watch, content creators who talk about day trading such as Marvin Guillermo, and learn as much as you can about the technical skills needed to do day trading before you get into it. Start with a little amount, try to grow it, and then slowly but surely grow your trading fund until it becomes like big enough to really give you good money on the side on a monthly basis. Number 4, content creation. So content creation is you putting up your own YouTube channel, your own blog, your own Instagram account, and being able to, make money out of either YouTube advertising or Google AdSense, or maybe even brands who get you to advertise on your TikTok or on your IG. But please do take note that this particular path is not overnight success. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of time before you can monetize it. On YouTube alone, you need I think it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot. So for you to be able to get that, that's making a lot of videos, a lot of content initially for free. So being a YouTuber, for example, like me, it took a lot of time to get where I am, guys. So tandaan nyo lang yon. It's not as easy as it looks, but if you do it on the side and you do it consistently over time, maybe after several months, or then it becomes monetized, then you build your own brand, and then the deals will just go your way. So mas long-term siya. Number 6 is selling stuff online. What do you sell? Well, stuff that you can create, products that you can create. Be it sabihin natin, you can create homemade sanitation gear. I know somebody who's been mixing his own soaps or mixing his own scented alcohol that they sell online via Lazada and via Shopee. Or if you're a good cook, I know a ton of people who have gone to using that skill as a way to make money last year in 2020. So, diba, 2020 was the year of the ube pandesal or the sushi bake. Now, we're starting to see more sophisticated chefs monetize their skill sets. In fact, over the last few weeks, I've ordered paella, I've ordered cochinillo, I've ordered some sort of baked stuff, from pasta, different cuisines around the world just on Instagram. So people who are chefs or aspiring chefs who are entrepreneurial and putting their stuff out on IG, and I buy them. So if that's you, if you can make money of that, then you might want to do that instead. Or if you're good with handcrafts or DIY stuff, as long as you can create something that people would want to buy, digital has made it so much easier to sell. Number 6 and 7 are a bit obvious, but I wanted to include them in the list just because I feel that they're still very viable. Number 6 is that you can be a financial advisor. So you can sign up for Pru Life, Film Life, Sun Life, or whatever life, or whatever insurance company that offers mixed insurance plus investment tools or products. Shoutout nga pa ulit kay DG Razona, di ba? Parang ang dami ko ng negosyo na babato sa'yo, DG. But anyway, make sure that you learn about it, learn the fundamentals, learn why your product is good and what it is for. Do not make outlandish claims about what you have or what you're selling without knowing what are the other instruments in the market today. Number 7, on the side, you can be a Grab driver or a Grab rider. A lot of people are looking and are booking, I think, for delivery services. And if there is an opportunity like that, and if it's something that you want to do and that you feel like you will enjoy and that you will make money out of, then you might want to do that as well. So those are the 7 sidelines and side hustles that you can consider doing this 2021. I can actually make the list go all the way up to 10. I haven't even talked about drop shipping. I haven't even talked about selling real estate. There's just so many things that you can do on the side to monetize. And I guess my message is for all of you is that if you feel that you can do it, then you might want to try. Because a wise businessman once told me, income is addition. So if you have a day job and it's not enough, then having a side hustle or freelance work on the side is a great way to complement your income. Okay? So I hope that was able to help you guys out, and that's something that you can apply to your individual lives. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Before I sign out, guys, let me just plug, I also have a watch channel. So I do content on watches like this one, really nice Seiko Pepsi Sumo Paddy watch. So if you like watches, please make sure to check out my watch channel. Also, my wife has a YouTube channel now where she talks about how you can have a better life, paano umasenso sa buhay. I will link down below to her YouTube channel as well. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.